Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I wanted to show you a simple Z shell trick to be able to navigate between your folders and your codes much more efficiently and faster. So before in the day, that when I don't know this trick, I used to alias my code directory. So for example, desktop code. So for example, I aliased C to something like blah blah blah. However, this is not efficient, and I think it's a bad approach. So I wanted to show you a new trick. By the way, this trick is I think only available in Z shell. I haven't been configured bash or I don't know fish shell or any other shells. Therefore, I will just explain this for Z shell. Maybe there are some explanations on how to do it in other shells. So to first, let me just show you how does it work. After that, if you want, you can just continue to watch it. So for example, I write jump, and when I just hit add and press tab, it will automatically show my bookmarks. So for example, I want to go to nvim directory, and as you can see, I've jumped to my nvim directory in .config/nvim. Or for another example, so my programs is in .local and source, and now I am in .local and source. So how did I did this? Actually, it is pretty simple. So let me first show you my Z profile first. So alright, so it is not in Z profile. So I think I have something like this. Oops. Let me just go to my Z shell directory, and let's open my .zshrc. So this sets our bookmarks directory, and I will explain the bash script afterwards. So it says that if there is not a directory, if there's a directory called in your Z shell configuration and a directory called bookmarks, it will export my CD path to this one. So what is this CD path? This CD path tells Z shell to look for directories there. So when I export this CD path, it will automatically look whenever I try to change my directories in this bookmarks folder too. And I have aliased jump to CD-P. This is because all of the other directories are symlinks. And if you don't write this command, it will, in your bash configuration, it will show it pretty bad. So let me just show you. So for example, if I cd to my nvim, as you can see, it automatically sends me to my symlink. To just change this, I have aliased jump to that, and it just works like this. So how does this work? Let me just show you. So for example, I want to mark my downloads folder. I just write here bm bookmarks add downloads, and after that you give an alias name to it. I prefer to put @ sign before any of my aliases or symlinks, because when I just hit add and tab, it will automatically show all of these files without the current directory. And let's just say this as downloads, and as you can see, bookmark add download saved successfully. And if I even open a new terminal, and if I just say jump at downloads, it will automatically send me to downloads. Alright, so let's talk about the bash script now. Actually, the shell script, so I think it's in scripts. Alright, so cool. So it's actually pretty simple. If the first argument is add, then it automatically fetches the directory, and it automatically creates a symlink in my bookmarks folder. And as for the other one, this $3, so I am giving actually two arguments there. First one is add, the other one is the symlink to that directory, and the last one is the alias name for that symlink. And if it calls remove as rm, it will automatically delete that bookmark from that bookmarks folder, and else it will just pump out some simple errors. So as you remember, if I just write bm remove and then add downloads, it will automatically delete that downloads. And if I just try to navigate to downloads now, it will say that no such file or directory. So let's take a look at the bookmarks folder now. So C $config, I think. Right. So in the bookmarks folder there are different symlinks here, and we can check it. Just something like this. As you can see, it's just a symbolic link to this path. So I think this is pretty cool and pretty useful. I will add a link to both the bookmarking script and my zshell configurations. It's actually pretty simple. You'll just put 2 lines in your zshell configuration, and you'll just create a simple script called bm and add it anywhere on your path. So actually this is the video for it, guys. Take care. See you in a